So every now and then we have pets that come along that are just extraordinary. And a friend of mine, she lost her cat, and I still see my little cat Yoda. His name was Johnny Cash, and her name's Debbie. But I wanted to just show you this funny video I found. As you can probably hear Bella, she knows my other kitty cat. She misses him too. Um, that he was always in the middle of everything. I'll play it. It's pretty funny. So this is just a short thing of mouse repair video, and as you can see, these triangle screws. He actually hit it with his paw, and they formed that. It was really funny. But here's the rest of it, and as you can see, there's my Yoda. I missed a little guy. He's got his line cut, but he was always in the middle of everything I was working on, and yeah, so it, it's tough when you lose a pet. I mean, they mean a lot, and he was one of those. I raised him from an eyedropper, and he passed away when I was in the hospital the first time in a bag or a box of computer parts, and he'd seen them take me away. The paramedics to the hospital, and I wound up being in there 3 months, and he passed just 2 days after I was in there. Uh, oh man, yeah, it's tough. So anybody that's lost a pet, we know how that, it's hard to deal with, and but they'll be together with us again someday. There is no doubt. Isn't that right, Bella? She's sitting here like, oh, that's Yoda. I think that they have insight into things. It's pretty amazing. Okay, peace out, Rob. Happy New Year.